Hello and welcome to Argument Mechanical, and we are putting a sill on the Golf Mk5 in this week's episode. I'll make myself look like a giant. So hope you enjoy. Not sure, it'll probably only be a short video because I didn't capture any of the welding, and I'm filming the beginning at the end anyway. So I'm doing an Ian Matthews. Big shout out to Ian Matthews there. So because I forgot to start filming myself at the beginning. But anyway, I hope you like the video. Right, well, I need to patch that, but I should be able to push the sill over far enough to weld onto here once I clean it up. She's right, like, back there's a big fucking hole. Yeah, big enough you get your hand in it. It's been done before, that's been patched before, and whoever patched it before me, like, right arse of it. Yeah, I know, I just fucking battered that off with a fucking hammer. It's because the bolt is disintegrated, so there wasn't much point in faff arsing about with it. I'll probably end up cutting that anyway, just there. I'll have to come back and over here. But it will go on with a bit of jiggery pokery. I'm not gonna lie, it's not gonna be the neatest of jobs. I'm not gonna mess about. It's not gonna be the neatest of jobs. I'll probably fold that round. Cat hides a multitude of sins. You know yourselves, boys. Cat hides a multitude of sins. Probably cut the other bit on the other side of the door because it won't need it to go up as high as it is going. So before I do any welding, I'll be cutting that off. That's me grinding back on the Mk5 Golf now. They're grinding their back slowly but surely. So I've got something to weld to. Hopefully not be too bad. I can grind it right in. Good, and I've got a patch template made up for that. So I'm just gonna stick it in here. I'll stick this in here. I'm doing a wee bit of grinding. I say a patch made up for that. Looking a wee bit better than it did. Looking a wee bit better than I did. The water drains, but there's no water drains in the actual sill itself. A bit stupid, but there you go. Needs mist and all that. Right, there's a patch over the top of it. Not the best welding, but who cares, because it's going to be covered up anyway. And that's Mick cutting the bit off that we don't need. He's just trying to work out what way is the best way to cut it. Then we'll drill out the sill for cutting, and we'll crack on and maybe put another split of a weld on that yet. As I say, it's no easy stuff to weld on. Right, we'll come back to you in a wee while. That's the body filler on it. It's under sealed from the other side. There'll be a stone chip was on that yet. We'll rub that filler back. We're still not finished. I'll put another skim over the top of that and rub that back, and then we'll paint it all in. Body filler to hide the weld. It's crap welding, but at the end of the day, it's welding. All the same. So no look that bad. Aesthetics. Looks a lot better than a rotten sill anyway. That's what I'm gonna say. So, but we'll show you the next step. We'll show you the underbody seal up on it, and then hopefully we won't run out of daylight. And if we do run out of daylight, you'll see the next part in a few minutes, and it'll be the following day. So, okay, that's it, body fillered. I'll paint along here to there. I'll paint that, but I have to rub that back, wait for it to dry out, and we're dropping it on its wheels. That's this side finished. Bought a bit of paint, and I have to get the paint for it, so the next time you see it, it'll be the other side I'm doing. So thanks so much for watching. I'll try and show you a bit of welding the next time on the other side. Mind and leave us a thumbs up.